na no yendo konkon 7 mo na no hu se menu akuma ma me boatema de mo fa level bi mo kire mo anwomtofo rappers a se omo adane nwomtofo a omo hu ozana eye ena me de mo call gospel like but na no real quick message parents no mo fra na ekọ school no pe obi so omo nse twa kwan mo ate ene la pass e ka kete akula bi she uniform. Very small guy. Me ha me 6-5 years. Ono kwa na etwa kwan in a school uniform. Pe la pass kwan. Penifo kwa ka etwi form so na akwala. Ti mestre nkwala ma me na ka say me fa mo fa ni ni agro. So we need time a. Pani nua panyi bi. Pe fie ni pe bi no nso akwala ne nsa. Intwa kwan ni ma me very very important. I can't be seeing kids wandering around just like that. Ahima chinya no fetutu sir. Why? Mestre mo. It's yanko and semino eso. Obeka isa Ghana. Yeah, gospel music, you know. There was a time na ya kuti aboka kra. Yan shenya me anka bonsma me defe. Any yes way say anka me to me. Any enwum bi kra ba tete. Somewhere 90s early 2000s no. Na ya gospel nyum no akoye akutia. Na akoye obonsam ye twifa wo so yes way when shami amatanfu be onga yo. Yes. And a free sound level nim ne ba praises and worship. Kwa kujesi mo time no. O he say kwa ye ayeye any nyom to hymns no mo de fa bonsengu na bone de amama nyina be hu say ajinkwa ba na gospel line na sa gospel name no e free ho any be true sa asedane ayeye biem ba we rendition bia pace siesta muso mo he na simo Mama wa ya sida na pace siesta e de koye radi mo say baby a be duro no akoye nkoma ankofo pi e twetwe wo social ne so say if be chant say na me say gospel no so pesa wo hate wo pesa gospel ye te wo nka na ye fa wo serious honhom bi de kira wa anye hey ya na cartons kaka babado shabara hey ya enti enyom no I'm telling you because I don't in somewhere ene anopa me no betwetwe your phone ready maybe your phone lines na tum no wa frame me but answer na no me enti some of these new chanting gospel songs na yento ankomo no so pastor hade bra me colleague ba ko gina ha wase wo mu use wo madwene e de che spirit no franka wa wo lo ne kan but wo ye honhom ni pa na wo ginya me na wa kwa sorry acha master Israel wa ha Jonas wa ha so fofom ye no wo so chire ma ya spiritual warfare spiritual warfare because tons no e kasa hodo a honhom ne ma wo so a untimi mie wa no nka se wo de dokotokodo ya ni agrosa wadaroma ete mon frame na me try mo calls na mu na me ka che wo say akase brempon enso ye gospel musician a nyame de ne ye adwuma pa ene worship yi akase fa ne kwa wono nso de na no ato sankomo yi mu a che na adwen na de eje no eso ni nyina na wo fa na wo 0302 211 70124 me try mo no yenti akase enuma semmbra.
Is it a new thing? Is it, something that is infiltrating into church? I've had calls, I've had DMs, I've had young people posting me questions, asking me to add my voice to the discussion on chants and the like. And I feel the need as a player within the space to shed some light on the chant conundrum, if you will. Now, the first thing I need you to understand is that the chant is not new to the church. The church has known chants ever since the Middle Ages. In fact, chants and hymns are like cousins. No, they're actually brother and sister. They were introduced to the church in the same dispensation, right? In the Middle Ages, Pope Gregory was the head of the church. And when we say church in the Middle Ages, it was basically the Catholic Church, right? And in that dispensation, the church saw so much revival, and yet there was so much corruption happening in the church as well. And to deal with this tension between revival and corruption, Pope Gregory introduced a concept called monasticism, right? He sent monks into monasteries to engage in long hours of prayer for the church and humanity, right? Now, to help these monks lose sense of time so that they can engage in long hours of prayer, the musicologists developed these musical modes called the Gregorian chant. And they introduced that to the monks so that they can engage in long hours of prayer and lose sense of time. In that same dispensation, to deal with the corruption, I remember I said the church was dealing with corruption, and there was also revival in that dispensation. To deal with the corruption, the church introduced hymns, right? And hymns were to teach doctrine, right? And to combat wrong doctrine. So to combat the wrong doctrine that was going on in the church, they deployed hymns. And to go into prayer and intercession, the soundtrack, they deployed the chants. So whereas hymns was taking care of the doctrinal issues, the chants was taking care of the prayer and the prophetic movement. So if you love your hymns, please do not victimize, do not demonize the chants. They are actually brother and sister. And I say this to say that if you study church history, you find out that in every dispensation, there seems to be some sort of highlight placed on one form of music or the other, so that the purpose of God for that dispensation will be accomplished. You can call that soundtracks to the move of God. In the awakenings, right, the Middle Ages, then we come to the awakenings, the first Great Awakening, the second Great Awakening, and the third Great Awakening. In the first Great Awakening, hymns was the, soundtrack for that movement, right? We saw the rise of Isaac Watts, who basically was in charge of...
chant no empire na na ebo so fu bia ba homa no so amene ntwetwe komo. Hi, good morning, so fu Nicholas.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pacho hina afre mi fra no pay.
Frefi aha for me.
Okay, Pacho che wadwen wo ho.
You tell me enya accessing bempon chirechiri. Cafe those days and I say in the late 90s banana gospel Kutia I beg to disagree with you, Sister Fanny.
Okay.
Those days, gospel was real gospel. They sing about Jesus, they think about Satan, they think about what the Bible is saying. Yes, and then they have not deviated so much. Only that they have added style to it. It's a dispensations. Dispensations, and yet Kutia. So I bet to differ on that ground.
Okay,
those days, gospel was really gospel. Because those share would be to say, Espanya Michemo. Oshe would be to say, Hanama for Nomo, Mary Gansdamo. They were singing gospel. But I wouldn't want to mention it because social media and
oh, Bobby Mama, send you the 2 year home.
Oh, who's the Papa,
okay.
Who could be one and Papa betting them, but who could be one and Bonia? Who could be one and Papa one tenant them? I mentioned Espanya, nobody would tell her. But if I should mention somebody's name, what sound the out, grab a cassette, if you have software, if you have a papa.
Okay.
Yes. Those days they were doing real gospel. Gospel.
Adom Sophie Nicholas, don't get it twisted. But your mom getting it wrong. Say, me say no, that's not what I mean. But let me try to say Tetefonium was deep. Don't get it twisted. Till now, no, Tetefonium be alright. That's what ya home. But me check the era, the sound, the lyrics. What I say. The growth of gospel music from the past till now, no, those were the songs. What I say, no, I can't disrespect. No, I can't do that. Yawaba Humanus, my main fan. Hi, good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Sir Candy.
Me Pacho hina frame me free.
It's not tomorrow.
Okay, Brian Pacho Manenko.
Yo, Sir, and the one video, we are not going to do Shimana.
Eh, any menada.
Eh, I never say.
Meda say.
Yo, sister, and you only say. Chant no more chant. Maybe, and Hammy. No, a dear no more. Why not send them no come or come? No, Ben, edgy sends them no. A dear Jumana, a day or dear now more. Redemption up the panel on us. You had a crop. So honest, yeah. It is like a sibling poncan or Camuno cross what history because a human over told it. Then the area in Abba and see a conflict and no more can you know be no more. And none a woman as personal cushion to master a custom and only a big dim combo. And so near walk and as one casapra won't see us yet and on chat here, so yet any away he and on Ira. It is no more custom music send your face next year. And sister. And since you would not many how many Siciano. Ye die or minor matter, be I see you. Oko a Buddhism other side here. Quarter, and then your Libby's life none other than a part of it. I have quarter sister. Yamia Simon sister. And here the babyano, the bishop that you room will be had the idea of that, then one will be adding them. Yeah, how never.
But I say,
can you only end in Casini who?
But I say. Ahosepe by ourselves for Faba. So hi, good morning. Hello. Oh, my family last caller, not yet fancy. Hi, good morning. Hello, good morning, sir. Oh, I'm last caller, not yet fancy. I'm last caller. Hi, good morning. Pacho Meton Kakasa. Okay, nice. Before Faba, so hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Me pacho lo TV set no na me nkasa o phone so me da say. Okay.
Hello.
Me pacho lo TV set na me nkasa o phone so thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, pacho di ni baby afre me free.
Me pacho FM na me ka se fi ablekuma.
Okay, pacho manenko.
Sunday to say.
Me pacho nyame adom na so e.
Sunday, let me just chip in this quick one.
Okay.
In the early days of Christianity, the Bible say, and for us to understand, and or say, when the Spirit of the Lord came upon them, it came upon them like fire, like a rushing wind.
Wow.
And you just be nearby. Now, at the or down the shed in the sense, say, the way they were praying, they were singing. No more tundrum. Now, in Jum Tunumono, be there to miss me. So we study the Bible very carefully. The word worship, it is not music. Initially, it was only David who added instruments to it.
Wow.
Now, and yet, because when Abraham was taking his son Isaac to go and sacrifice him to the Lord, and the Bible says, Isaac himself, Papa said, where are we going? And on channel said, we are going to worship. Worship comes in the forms of so many equine. It's we know a empire almost in the way of worshiping. And yet, the second chanting, because chanting it started from the Christian race. Later, NIB and Yamiaduma, all the societies, almost by ISNia, almost per se, almost take what belongs to the Christian counselor. Almost use a lot of things are a Christian for introduce here, but they allow themselves for the other sector, whatever it is, for them to come in. And so now we are going back to ADNA and yet the other. So I come here and then said, I'm a person about India. I come here, I been also now we see an idea. I come out from and all that. It's all in the church. I idea what's happening to that. And yet, be a friend ever. I from the that. It's we here BBI send a message to one colleague because no more can send no more a message. They are telling God to say, God, Lord, you have done so many things for us, and this is our way of appreciating you.
Exactly. Ahosepe, Tinoko social, and so I from 10 time, no, or much from our dream, over traditional media. Yes, we are trying dream, callers and so afraid. At Shaya dream, sure says so being and hunty as kakra. And a quick one, we all agree to disagree. When there was a count of what you're right, or you're wrong. No, Joji the fat, the way Suji the man in fat, near Quay, no, Obiang, the Osha. na safo che me Presbyterian ni tete no ye crusade a ye ko ayi Emausa etimi bompai na obi ate ahwe na bibi kasafa ne mu ose o honhom kasafa ne mu se wuji di se wunjindi eye but we Christian ya ko so abompai na som Awurade Nyankopon kenkan wo Bible de opeso ohu bia no e wo Bible ni men again menka asetetefo ne nyom no sebinye wadaro ma me gina hey tete gospel no cry me de esin ni tete gospel na me favorite it's in a passion no two ways me person obi abeda ne ma no e wo de me kan yi na me kan for say Franco Trading Enterprise na me kan for am phone papa if you net na Franco beton phones Nokia Samsung iPhones smart TVs no from 32 inches to 55 boy like that you will need a tabletop fridges you will CCTV cameras no bibia no Franco asoye doso e wo mante me show say oberhwe omo na wabora shop ne mu bia na wape bibia to ana say log in to www.francotrading.com and answer for 0246422338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa if you Grace Gift Herbal egusua eye adwuma adokotafo na twa ho ahia pa yare bia dokọ widienim bia how bia ma sure say Bora Grace Gift Herbal Clinic branch ebenwo na omo enshow well be Kofi Amperia me director na wo chemu ane abaye bia won fa ni agro kra one ne som